Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Ahmed Al Qadri, and today we will start a new lesson about mixture. Okay, guys, first I want to ask you a small question. Did you ever make a salad in your home? If you did, then you know how to make a mixture. A mixture is a physical combination of two or more kind of matter. So, a mixture, if you mix any two or more kinds of matter, like example in this picture, of course you do a salad. So when you mix tomato and cucumber and lettuce and olive as example, so you do a salad. When you do a salad, you can pick up the tomato if you don't like the tomato, or the piece of cucumber or the lettuce. So this is an example of mixture. Mixtures are physical changes. They can be separated by physical means. Okay, let's talk about everyday mixture. So a salad is usually a mixture of lettuce, tomatoes, and other foods, as we said. The foods that go into a salad might be chopped up, so however they are still the same kind of food. So you probably see mixtures every day. Some breakfast cereals are mixtures of solids. If you add milk, you get a mixture of salts and a liquid. So many products, such as food, drinks, and clothing, are made from mixing different kind of matter. And right now, let's see some example of mixtures. Of course, love we all love M&M's candy. So as you see in this picture is a mixture of candies. M&M mixing of color. I have the blue one, the green one, the yellow one, red one, lots of color. But I can pick up, you can see I can pick up all the blue one. I can separate them physically. This is what we mean by mixture. Another example of mixture is nuts. Also is one kind of mixture. You can see different type of nuts here, so we can separate them easily. A mixture is a physical combination of two or more kinds of matter, and we can separate them easily from each other. Okay, guys, let's talk about solution right now. Solutions are mixtures. As you see in this picture here, I have example of lemonade. Lemonade is a solution of water, lemon juice, and sugar. So another example of solution is if you mix a salt into water, so the salt will break up. So salt water right now is a solution. And right now, because the mixture is a physically uh, combination between two or more mixtures, so the presence of the taste of the sugar and salt of the sorry of salt inside the salt water solution, this is a physical combination because the salt is present in the taste of the solution. Of course, here also the lemon is and the sugar present in the taste of the lemonade. So this is an example of mixture because they are present inside this mixture. So a solution is a mixture in which two or more substances are blended completely. Like here in this example, the water, the lemon juice, and the sugar and the water are blended to completely together to make a solution. Let's do another experiment. Sugar water solution together. It is a very easy experiment, guys. We need only 1 cube of sugar and 1 cup of water, and we mix them together. So we put the sugar inside the water, and we mix them together. Okay, guys. So at the end, as you see here, the sugar dissolve in inside the water and make a solution. So if I want to drink with this water, absolutely, it's a sweet water because of the sugar. So the presence of the sugar inside the water, this is a example of mixture. Okay, guys, there's a lot of kinds of mixtures. We have example of solid and solids mixture, as example salads. For solids and gases, as example of candle, as you see in this picture. For liquids and liquids mixtures, as example of juice and oil. And for solids and liquids mixtures, as example of the cereal and the milk, as you see in this picture. Okay, guys, let's talk about the chemical properties right now of the matters of the mixture. So in a mixture, matters might lose its physical properties, but the matter still keeps its original chemical properties. So chemical properties only change during chemical reaction. Substance in a solution might have physical property that the original substance did not have. For example, salt and water by themselves are both poor conductors of electricity, but salt water is a very good conductor. Okay, guys, right now we want to talk about alloys. So, thousands of years ago, people discovered how to make bronze by mixing melting copper and tin. So, when we are mixing, that means is a mixture. And we studied before that the mixtures solutions are mixtures. So, right now we conclude that alloys are solid solutions. So, this is an example of bronze, so a solution of copper and tin mixing together. So bronze is a kind of solution called an alloy. So an alloy is a mixture of two or more elements. At least one of the element is a metal. So alloys can be stronger or more flexible than the substance that formed them. So this is an example of alloy. Alloy is a solid solutions. It must be at least one of the element is a metal from the mixture of alloy.